Hi there. Today I'll be heading to the airport. I'm flying from Melbourne to Sydney. It's a very short trip. I'm only staying overnight, but I'll be taking you with me to learn travel vocabulary as I pack my bag and move through the airport. If you're new to learning English and want to see more about life in Australia, maybe you're planning to travel here, are studying here, or are moving here for work, this video series will help you understand everyday English while exploring real places around Melbourne and Australia. In this series, I've used the 3,000 most common English words to help you learn quickly through comprehensible input. You can speak along with me and use this video for shadowing practice, or you can relax and listen along. Okay, let's go for a walk. Before I leave for the airport, I'll pack my bag. I'm only staying overnight, so I'll just be taking one carry-on bag. I'll unzip the bag and start packing. A carry-on bag is a small bag you can take onto the plane with you. When I'm in Sydney, I'll be going to a concert, so I'll be wearing these black boots. I want to keep everything clean, so I'll be putting the boots into a plastic bag first. Then I'll place them carefully into my carry-on bag. Next, I'll be packing some socks. I'll put my black socks inside the boots to save space and use less room in the bag. Now I'll add my clothes. They're already folded. I'll place them gently in the side of the bag. Now I'm packing my toiletries. Toiletries are small personal items you might use in a bathroom to wash or care for your face or body. In my toiletries bag, I've packed some moisturizer, face wash, eye drops, deodorant, and hair product. I also have a comb to brush my hair. I'll also pack some sunscreen, a small pink towel to wash my face, and a small red bag with makeup inside. Next, I'll be putting 2 hair ties into the top zipped pocket, along with a small tube of toothpaste and my green toothbrush. Now I'll zip up my toiletries bag and place it next to my boots. This small pouch has a strawberry on it. Inside, I'll be putting my headphones, my wallet, and my phone charger. These are small but important items. I'll zip them up safely so I don't lose them. When I'm traveling on a plane, I like to draw, so I'll be packing a small pencil case filled with colored pens and pencils. I'm also adding my black sketchbook. I like to draw small pictures inside called doodles. Doodles are just simple, quick drawings made for fun. The last thing I'm packing is my navy cap. Now I'll zip up my bag and I'm ready to go to the airport. We're driving to the airport now. I'll be staying in the left lane so we can find the car park. A car park is where you leave your car. We'll drive into an empty parking spot and turn off the engine. From the car park, I'll be taking an orange shuttle bus to the terminal. I'll get on the bus and stand near the front. The shuttle bus is a small bus that travels a short distance. It's a short ride, but saves us from walking all the way to the terminal. It's very convenient. Convenient means easy and helpful. Now we're arriving at the terminal, so I'll get off the bus and walk towards the building. This building is for domestic departures. That means flights that travel inside the same country. I'll head inside now. The people in front of us are rolling their suitcases behind them. This area is where passengers can drop off checked luggage. I'm only taking carry-on luggage, and I already checked in to the flight online last night, so I'll skip this area and head upstairs. I'll take this escalator up to the departure gates. At the top of the escalator, I'm joining the security line. In the security line, they'll check everyone's bags. After passing through security, I'll walk towards my gate. Today, I need to find gate 46. This long walkway leads to gates 30 to 52, so I'll head this way. I'll use the travelator to move faster. A travelator is a flat, moving walkway, kind of like an escalator, but on one level. Because it's a weekday morning, the airport isn't very busy today. As I'm walking, I can see airplanes outside of the window. Now I'll take another escalator down. The man in front of me has a small carry-on suitcase next to him. For my flight, a carry-on bag must be under 7 kilograms to fly. Mine is only 4 kilograms, so it's fine. Near the gate, there's a small shop selling magazines, drinks, and snacks for the flight. Sometimes people will buy water or something to eat before they board. My boarding pass is digital, which means it's on my phone. I'll join the queue to scan it. A queue is a line of people waiting their turn. From here, I can see our plane outside. There are workers out on the ground called the tarmac. This is the area where planes park and move. I've scanned my boarding pass and now I'm walking outside to board the plane. Boarding means to get on to the plane. There are stairs at the front and the back of the plane today. I've made it onto the plane. I'll put my bag in the small space underneath the seat in front of me. People around me are finding their seats and putting bags into the overhead compartments above the seats. I'm sitting in a window seat. From here, I can see another plane where people are getting off after landing. In the seat pocket in front of me, there's a safety card which shows you what to do in an emergency, and there's a menu for ordering food. Soon, it will be time to take off. I can see a few planes waiting outside. Now we're taking off. The plane is moving fast and lifting into the air. Below us, I can see the bushland near Melbourne Airport. The weather today is overcast, which means the sky is cloudy. It's also quite windy, so there may be turbulence. Turbulence is when the plane shakes slightly in the air. Because there's turbulence, the seatbelt sign is turned on, so I'll stay seated. Now we're flying above the clouds. From up here, you can see a beautiful view. The clouds look fluffy. They look soft and light. As we're flying, other passengers are reading, watching TV, listening to music, or resting. How do you like to spend time on a flight? Now we're getting closer to Sydney. The flight from Melbourne to Sydney only takes 1 hour and 30 minutes. We're flying over mountains near the coastline. The coastline is where the land meets the ocean. The water looks bright blue, and I can see white waves moving towards the beach. Now we're landing in Sydney. The plane is touching down on the ground again. The weather here is clear and warm, with very few clouds. Sydney's weather is typically warmer than Melbourne's. The plane has landed and it's slowing down. Passengers are opening the overhead compartments and taking out their bags. Now I'll get off the plane too. And now we're in Sydney. That's the plane we just flew on, and another plane is taking off behind it. This area at Sydney Airport is the baggage carousel. This is where checked luggage arrives after your flight. There are people waiting for their bags to come around. The foyer is busy with many people and their suitcases. I'll follow the signs to the train station. I'll take another escalator down. To enter the train station, I'll tap my payment card on the reader and walk through the gates. And now I'm in Sydney. Thanks for travelling with me today. What do you call a small bag that you take onto the plane with you? A carry-on bag. What do you call small personal items used to wash or care for your body? Toiletries. What do you call a line of people who are all waiting their turn? A queue. Thanks for joining me today for another walk around Melbourne. Where would you like to go next? Or which everyday English topics would you like to learn about? Please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Australian English practice. See you next time.